All right, so this is what I'm going to need. I'm trying to get replaced here. This wood is apparently gone bad, etc. out in the weather over time. But I want to build some kind of metal ramp, just like this is, but just study wood, metal ramp, or something that's going to last for the outside environment, basically. So I just need these step ramps, just like this, instead of wood, metal or something, or some kind of material where it can withstand in the outside. That's all. Hello. Make it easy. Step on the end for me. Step over here. Just step on it. All right. All right. Yeah, I'm about to get that. I'm about to get that replaced. I'm gonna get that replaced. That wood, the termites, they eating that shit up.
I think this is from when we were on like the side and they kept the that noise. I think it's from when we were in the
Nah, it's just the wood been ate up so much. But I'm gonna give him gonna make me some ramps out of this material here. So. Do what? Hey, look, I just pulled up here. Gotta go drop this trailer off to Dallas, Fort Worth. Walked up, opened the garage, walked on that side, and smoke. He opened up, like, look at him, he ready to go. He know what's up. He ready to go. My baby ready to go. He ready to go do some, put some work in. He want to go put some work in. Down boy, down boy, down boy. Not yet, not yet. Just in due time. I know you're over here anxiously. In due time, in due time. Hey man, hey, I love it. I love it. I freaking love it. But yeah, as soon as I let the garage up, well, he was ready to go. He felt it. It's time to load up. Hey man, what can I say? What can I say? But I'm about to head out in a little bit. Just give me some breakfast. I'm gonna see if my son wanna ride down there with me. Yeah, it's your boy EV Smoke. Peace. Like. Alrighty, I made it back here to pick up my trailer from getting the work done. As you can see here in a minute, had some upgrades done to that bad boy.
The destination is on your left. Arrived.
These on big boy trailers here one day. But yeah, I'll show you what I got done here. All right, from the wood to this now. Much better. Much better, much better. They took care of me out here. I have to get my butt on to the house. I'm tired. Ugh. Hot, so hot. They got some nice trailers out here. They build and sell. Boy, they so nice. Lovely. All right. Hey, catch you back on the next one. Like, share, and subscribe to the channel. More to come. Stay tuned. EV Smoke ATX. Peace. Alrighty, I'll stop here at Walmart, grab some on my way back to Austin. I want to give a better, clear a better clear look at here what I was talking about, what I had to get modified on the trailer, replace that wood because the wood was getting ate up. So what's it basically? It's the driver around. So when the trailer tilts, I'll probably show it in depth one day when I actually have the car on here. But when the trailer tilts, so baby, to get on this trailer, I have to clear this because the car's so wide. So I have to have the ramps made. So with the ramps make when it's tilted, this goes down like that. So it makes the car go up to maybe clear that to get up there. And then once the car once I get up there, start going, I have my sweet spot up there, and the tires sit on here. So I had a tread plate painted with slip resistor to keep it from slipping. Even if it's wet, it won't have no problem. It will not have no problem going up there. But it looks pretty nice here. Way compared to the wood. Let me show you the wood right quick. Check this out right quick. All right, so there you have it. You see that wood was all whack, much better. So I ain't got to worry about it, the weather beating it up and eating it. So it's totally different, baby. Metal with metal. Hey, like, share, subscribe to the channel. Stay tuned for more. It's your boy EV Smoke ATX. Peace. Like, share, and subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell.